These histamines cause inflammation and swelling in the respiratory tract, leading to symptoms like a runny nose, itchy eyes, and you guessed it, coughing. But why does coughing possibly become more pronounced in spring? This ties back to the inflammation caused by the body's response to pollen. Inflammation can make the nerves in the throat and airways more sensitive. When these nerves detect even a tiny bit of irritation from pollen, dust, or even a change in temperature, they may trigger a powerful cough reflex. This reflex is the body's way of trying to clear the airways. Coughing forcefully expels air from the lungs, aiming to push out any irritants. But in the case of pollen-induced inflammation, this coughing can become persistent, as the inflammation continues to sensitize the nerves.